Yeah? Where you want to eat?
Me no know you know. Babes, look there.
Wait there. Anna,
At
the
the
sprint. Yeah man, me man, the sprint. The fastest man alive. Whoa, you like our biggest hero. Me girl, she have your comic book them, you posted them, or you tie them. Are your girl that? You're lucky, eh? Thank you for that. But just want to say, oh, you're bad the way you run fast, run on the world, go through time, hard and so. Wait there. What just happened a while ago? You hear that? You hear what? Babe, you never hear that a while ago? Wait there. How I really are going?
Nothing Agwan. You always think something Agwan.
No, something or something. Yo, hero boy, where you and me girl just do? Me and your girl don't do nothing, my youth. Really? Me not believe you. Looking at me eye and tell me say you don't do nothing with me girl. Me? No. Do? Nothing with your girl. Yo, hero boy, you are dead.